You're so good. Oh.
I want to do my foot up one time. Here goes. Sing for me. Play some music.
Blue moon. You're so awesome. You should try out for the Olympics.
Oh. Here we go. I want to do this.
Too bad we didn't have the camera on when we both biffed. Hey, where are you right now?
I'm in Minnesota, Chaub Lake, ice skating with Joey.
We're on a lake.
We just took a face plant.
On a frozen
He
lake.
went ass first, I went knee. I made a belly snow angel. That's the highlight of my trip.
And how did you get here?
By airplane.
No, right now, this second.
The snowmobile.
Yeah.
And Dan goes fast. Didn't drive though. Too scared. Ready? Woo.
Come on, show me a trick.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my double axle now. You ready?
Yeah. Gotta get some speed.
How's that?
Voila! Gold medal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at all those roses being thrown out on the lake.
Thank you. I'll take my victory lap. Now I'm getting good. That's what it is, the crack catch. Crack kills. Oh, now I'm shaking it. You like that? That's a new step. A robot?
No, I'm showing you my shadow.
I was gonna say robot on. Hey, robot on ice. That's it. You're gonna love this.
Not the escapades.
Oh shit! You ready?
Hey, this is a children's program.
Oh yeah, sorry. Here you go.
It'd be really classic if you wiped doing that, but not planned. We are ice
Funny, I
skating.
look like I knew what I was doing.
Bye.